Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to use Claude code locally inside your VS Code free and unlimited using Ollama. Ollama is kind of an application where you can actually download a local model directly inside your machine, or you can actually use their cloud models. So this is a website ollama.com. So I'm assuming that you have already have installed Claude code directly inside your machine. To verify that, you simply go to command line, simply type here Claude. So as soon as you type Claude command, if you see this, then you have already installed it Claude code directly inside your machine. If you haven't installed Claude code, then let me show you the command here. So you simply type here Claude code download, and once you go to this, go to their official website. You can simply say Claude code in terminal install. If you directly type this, the quick start documentation will come right here. It will exactly tell you which commands you want to install. Depending upon your operating system, you install the Claude code first of all. So if you are on Windows, the very just easy setup, simply open your PowerShell. So right here, simply open PowerShell and paste this command. So once you install this, it will directly install Claude code directly inside your machine. You will get a notification. After that, just type the command Claude and this will come right here. So if you do this now, you will be, by default it uses this Claude Sonnet model, which is actually a paid model, which is not a free model. And for this you need an extension in VS Code. So there is an extension that you can install. Go to extensions tab, simply type this Claude code, and there will be this extension which will come. This is official extension developed by Anthropic. Simply activate this extension. So it's got almost 12 million installs. So just click the install button and just activate this extension. So after you install this extension, you will get this notification that it is installed. And for this you also need Ollama as well inside your machine. Simply download Ollama as well, depending upon your operating system. So once you install Ollama, I have already installed it. So the Ollama application will launch right here. Either you can download a local model, or you can use the Ollama cloud model as well. So these are some of the cloud models which are there. You can see that. So these are hosted on Ollama website, which makes it easy. So here you can even ask right here, if you chat with them, you can directly chat with them. So it's actually telling you need a subscription for this. Just make sure that you have logged in. Go to settings here, and so if you see now, once it is installed Claude code directly, you will actually see this appearing right here in the sidebar section. So just activate this. After activating this, you have three options right here. If you have a Claude subscription, you click this to log in. You can also log in through Anthropic console. So we need to press this option, run Claude in terminal. Just click this option. So once you click the option right here, so there is a command here which you can, first of all, I trust this folder, just click that, and again it will exactly log in with this paid model, which is Claude Sonnet. For this you need to have subscription, but if you don't have subscription, you come to the Ollama page right here and simply select whichever model that you want to install directly inside your machine. So it can be a local model as well, so depending upon your machine. So from here you can select, let's suppose you want to install this model, Quen 2.5 coder model. So the command is given right here, to install this, so simply select which version you want to install. So I don't have a powerful machine, so I will use this one. I've already installed it. So the command is very simple. You simply say Ollama pull and plus the name of the model. And this will download the model directly inside your machine. So once it is installed, you execute the command Ollama list. This will appear right here. So I've already installed this local model. So now to use this model in Claude Code, the command is very simple. It has given right here, as you see, that Ollama launch Claude dash dash model followed by the name. So right here you simply copy this command and directly go to the, just come outside the control C, just press outside and just type this command Ollama launch Claude dash dash model, and here you specify your model Quen 2.5 coder and just give the full name, which also includes colon 1.5. So just give the full model name, and once you enter the command right here, the Claude code will directly launch right here, and now this time it will be using this model which you have directly installed locally, as you see that. So now you can actually chat with this. Simply type a message and directly it will respond to you. So depending upon the speed of your computer, it will, as my computer is not a powerful machine, so that's why taking a lot of time for answering this. So depending upon your machine, if you have the powerful machine, you can use the model. You can even use or a cloud model as well. They have all the cloud models which are also there. Some of the cloud models are there, so which is Minimax cloud models. So these cloud models are hosted on Ollama only. So you can see, instead of using local model, you can directly paste this one. So simply search for this Minimax. Just select this model Minimax 2.7. So what I will do, I will simply Control C. So instead of this, we will actually launch this using this one. The command is given directly Ollama launch Claude. So just copy this command. I'm also running OBS Studio as well. That's why it is taking a lot of time. So my GPU is also not very strong, so that's why it's not running. So now you launch this by using the cloud model, which is totally free. You just need a simple Google account. So once you log in, now it will log in with this cloud model. So right here you can simply ask any question. Give me the specs. So you will see that if you ask the question right here, it will. So right here you need to proceed. Just grant the permission to Claude Code. So it will automatically executes the necessary commands to actually find me the specification of this computer. So after that, it will actually show you how much RAM, CPU, the model of the computer, everything. So in this easy way, you can use Claude Code unlimited free completely inside VS Code. So now it actually shows you the specification of this laptop. So you can see that So in this easy way, you can actually make a fully fleshed full stack coding application as well. So you can simply type here, build a React.js image to PDF app in this directory, make all the files. So if you write the prompt here, it will start coding. It will start creating the necessary directories, and after that creating, installing everything. So you can see it is consuming tokens right here. So this is completely free because you are using the cloud model, which is hosted on Ollama. The free limit is totally unlimited, so you will not get any kind of subscription notice. You can use this for completely free. So this is the overall setup if you want to use Claude Code through Ollama in VS Code. So you can see that now it will create the necessary files on the left hand side. So we need to grant the necessary permissions. So in this easy way, this is the overall setup. So now you can see it is need to grant the permission. So I see. So unfortunately I rejected the permission. So this is a way by which you can do that. It's very simple. So definitely do this. It will create the overall application for you.